Greetings, my dear friends. Today, we are going to discuss three important basic questions. In the path of enlightenment, these questions forms very important part. First question is, what is a human being? Second question is, what is life? Third question is, why we need to worship, or what is worship? Coming to the first question, a human being can be divided by three basic bodies or principles. What we see in every human being, it is a physical body. What a human being feels when he has joy, happiness, or sadness is the subtle body, and the body which runs everything, including human beings, animals, plants, even non living things, including this universe, is known as causal body. A man's life, especially the physical body, starts from birth and ends in death. Physical body is completely recyclable, as we know, and our body recycles back into this earth, and the substance again grow as plants, fruits, vegetables, which were ate by the next generation, producing more bodies. Hence, physical body is just recycling of the five main states of nature. Subtle body is the one a person feels has happiness, sadness, etc. Subtle body depends upon a person's bank of karma. If he has good karmas, his subtle body will be happy and healthy. The whole purpose of subtle body is to maintain a good karma balance in the end of the life. Based upon the karma balance at the time of the death, a subtle body will give rise to an another human being. If the subtle body has plenty of very good karma, it will take very long time to manifest as physical body and physical life. The third thing is causal body. Even though we may understand that causal body is present in every human being, it is not divided into pieces. Causal body is a single entity, also known as universal energy, present in all the human beings, animals, plants, earth, moon, sun, universe, everything. Causal body is the reason for the energy and power which runs everything what we see. If a man is able to understand his causal body, he will rise to enlightenment. The second question is, what is life? As I said, for the physical body, the life is from birth to death. If you see the graveyard tombs, the person's name will be written with the birth year and death year in between a dash. For example, from 1910 dash 1990. We can decide the life as a dash between birth and death. That is life. But for subtle body, the life is not started at the time of birth, and it's not going to end with death. A subtle body goes on and on and on as long as there is a karma balance. Once a person does good deeds and balance his genetic imprints, subtle body reaches enlightenment. What is prayer or worship? That's the last question for today. When a human thinks a lot about his physical body, he generally forgets the availability of subtle body or even causal body. When he faces a challenge, problem, sadness, he tends to search for the external power to give him the comfort. Human beings are very well known to find the external solace in pictures or statues or temples. The power which he thinks exhibiting there is the causal body. That is the universal consciousness, the single, unlimited, vast, non local power present everywhere. When he makes a link with this power in the form of a statue or a painting in a temple, mosque, or church, it gives him immense satisfaction and resolves his problem. That's how worship started. But the fact is, the same causal body is available inside every human being. If a person is able to recognize this and works with the principle of this universal energy, he will be enlightened. There won't be any need for further balancing the karma for his subtle body, and his physical body, once perishes, will perish once for all. This is how, if a person understands the causal body, the true nature which is present in everything in the world and the universe, he will reach enlightenment. Thank you, friends. We'll meet again in another very good discussion. Wish you all a wonderful day. Goodbye.